We've just installed the 2014 to 2019 Toyota Sienna Hamilton Upgrade Kit for CarPlay and Android Auto. You can see this awesome system has completely changed the look and feel of this vehicle. The Hamilton Upgrade Kit will not compromise any of your factory features. You can see shifting to reverse brings up your backup camera, and back to park or drive will bring you right back to CarPlay, like a brand new car. Of course, with the Hamilton system, long holding the voice speech button on the steering wheel for 3 seconds will bring you to your original operating system, where you won't lose any of your factory functionality. You have easy access to XM radio, FM radio, AM, or your factory nav. Back on Apple CarPlay here, any app that has a CarPlay component, whether you use it for your personal or business life, will automatically show up. The Hamilton systems stand alone in our premium quality components that we use and our complete integration with your factory system, including the factory microphone. A quick press of the voice speech button allows us to talk to Siri. Get directions to Durham.
Getting directions to Durham.
Siri will read your directions too.
Starting route to Durham.
Because our system integrates with the factory microphone, phone calls, text messages, and Siri, they all sound great. Of course, whether you use Apple Music, Spotify, Pandora, the SiriusXM app, or any other music app, you'll have easy access to all of your cover art, and it's nice and large on this display. This is a phenomenal system. It's backed by the 3-year Hamilton guarantee, which means tech support and warranty care before, during, or after your purchase. You can give us a call at 919-858-2890 or check us out, hamiltonmotorcompany.com.